Seek forgiveness of Allah, because others have already sought forgiveness. They have changed their lives. I've known youngsters who have grown up and they've had a few bad habits, and I've met them after some time and I've seen their lives changed, and I'm so happy, super delighted. Especially most of the time it's changed for the better, and you thank Allah. Oh, mashallah, look at this young lad, look at this guy, subhanallah, how Allah has brought him in. The question I have for you and I, have we come in? Now, the excuse some people say, well, Allah hasn't written guidance for me. How can you say that? Do you know that? You don't know that, so don't use that as an excuse. People say, Allah wrote it. Someone committed a sin and comes and says, well, Allah wrote it. Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu, there was a thief who had stolen. They brought him, to be punished. He says, oh, Amirul Mu'mineen, before you punish me, I stole because Allah wrote that I was going to steal. Why do you punish me? You see? So Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu was extremely intelligent. Guess what he says? Well, Allah wrote that we were going to punish you, so now come, let's punish you. Simple as that. Subhanallah Rabbil Alameen. So don't blame Allah.